Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this OSHA approved hard hat from the manufacturer to do a review. It's a 3-in-1 top hat. Not only do you have head protection, but you have eye protection and hearing protection as well. So let's unpack it, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's unpack it. Okay, it comes with the OSHA hard hat instructions, as well as some USA stickers, decal if you want to decorate the helmet. Comes with the ear muffs that will attach to the hat. We'll demonstrate that in just a moment. We'll see how that works. So let's take off the plastic and look at these features. Okay, the manufacturer says this is approved by the Occupational Safety and Health Standards, or OSHA. It also meets the ANSI standards, American National Standards Institute, as far as eye protection, hearing protection, and so forth. So the helmet is impact resistant. You have some vent holes here on each side to allow your head to remain cool. You have these slots on the side that the PPE hearing protection will slide in. We'll figure that out in a moment. You have an adjustable headband on the back. It's kind of a ratchet style. You just turn it to the right to tighten it, turn it to the left to loosen it. Chin strap here that can be removed easy by pressing these button in here and then clicking it back. You have some adjustability on the strap to loosen or tighten as needed. You have a headband inside the cushion that keeps your head from making contact with the helmet itself to provide a space there to keep your head cool, as well as a sweatband here that's on the inside. Then you have ANSI approved safety goggles here that meet the American National Standards Institute. You can store them up here inside the helmet when not in use, and then just pull them down for protection as needed. Then also you have this tinted sun visor that you can place on top of that if you have a lot of sun directly in your face as you're looking down or so. Then you can put this back up when not used. Okay, if we take a closer look at the hearing protection, again, they meet ANSI standards, American National Standard Institute. They have a noise reduction of 25 decibels up to 30. They're cushioned for comfort on the inside. Then you have the noise absorption material or foam on the inside there. These do rotate 360 degrees this way, and then once you attach it to the helmet, it will also rotate 360 degrees as well. To attach the earmuffs to the helmet, you have this tab here. Just insert it into the slot of the helmet. Push it down. Push it down until it snaps. Do the same thing on the opposite side. The muffs also will rotate 360 degrees. You can also adjust the muffs up and down just by pulling the muffs up and down here on this base. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, to put the helmet on, you want to move these earmuffs out of the way. Hold up your chin strap band up and then just place it on your head. Okay, once you get the helmet on, chin strap adjusted, Then you could place the earmuffs. Just click those in place. Then you have the ANSI-approved eye protection that you can wear, and then the sun visor also. Overall, I'm very impressed with this OSHA approved hard hat. Not only do you have the hard hat, but you have the earmuffs, hearing protection as well that will rotate 360 degrees, that you can get those out of the way if you don't need them, but they're ready to use. You have the ANSI approved safety glasses that can be slid up inside the helmet when not in use, so you won't lose those. Then if you need it, you have the tinted shield. You got the adjustable ratchet in the back to adjust your tightness of your headband. So overall, just a good OSHA approved hard hat. So I highly recommend this OSHA approved hard hat.